Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to free up 15 gigabyte of space in your computer. So if you want to save images or even videos in your computer to your Google Drive, then please watch this video. Okay, let's start. First is you need to go for Google Chrome, open that. And once you open your Google Chrome, just simply choose the account that you want to log in. And then after that, go for this icon. Click this, and then you will see a bunch of applications here, Google applications, and we will be opening this drive. Here in the Google Drive, you can upload those images or even videos that you want saved. And the best part of it is you can free up 15 gigabyte of space. Okay? Isn't just that great? And another thing about this is you can easily upload a folder, just have to drag it here, and then it will automatically upload the folder. Okay? So hopefully this videos help. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.